Hi, in today's lesson, let's discuss about combinations. Let's define what combination is first. Combination is an arrangement where order doesn't matter. Another definition for combinations is it's the selection of a part of a set of things in which the order of selection or arrangement of the members is not important. So in this lesson, we'll be focusing on selecting parts of a set of things or objects wherein the selection or the arrangement of the members is not important or hindi nagmamatter yung order ng pagpili. Symbols used for combinations are combination of n objects taken r at a time. So it can also be written this way and ganito rin. Now, the first part ng ating symbol na ginamit, ito yung commonly used in the calculators. Okay, so yan yung makikita nyo kung gusto nyo gamitin yung calculator sa pagsusolve. This is how we use the formula in solving combination problems. So you have n factorial divided by r factorial times the difference of n minus r factorial. So n refers to the total number of objects and r will be the number of objects that you'll be selecting. Let's find out what's the difference between the permutation and combinations. Permutation is an arrangement where order matters. So dito, when you arrange objects, importante yung arrangement ng object ay may order or may ayos. Combination is an arrangement where order doesn't matter. So for combinations, you just need to select and then yung order, hindi siya importante. Okay, let's start our topic with a story problem. Teng Teng went to Pizzeria Hungry Joe's that offers 3 food courses. For the sample platter, you need to choose 2. So buffalo wings, chips and dip, nachos, fries, and potato skins. Now for the fresh pizza, you can only choose 2 toppings, pepperoni and bacon with mushrooms, sausage, ham, olives, and anchovies. And for the ice cream, you can have vanilla, chocolate, java, mint, and rocky road. So for the ice cream, you need to pick 3 sundae. Sample platter is only offered in 2s. Every order must have 2 sample platters. Question: how many sample platters can we make? Remember that there are 5 choices for the sample platter and you need to select only 2. So that is the combination of 5 objects taken 2 at a time. Here are the sample of orders that we can select from the given sample platters. It can be wings and chips. It can be wings and nachos. It can be wings and fries. And it can be wings and potato chips and so on. Is wings and chips different with chips and wings? Is wings and nachos different with nachos and wings? Is wings and fries different with fries and wings? Is potato skins different with wings and potato chips? Order is not important in combination, so it doesn't matter which order comes first. Since ordering wings and chips is the same as chips and wings, and ordering wings and nachos is the same as ordering nachos and wings, then i-remove na lang natin siya from the options natin. So if we will count, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many sample platters can we make? There are 10 ways to select 2 platters from the 5 sample platter. Let's use the formula. So you have combination of n objects taken r at a time. Remember that there are total of 5 sample platters to choose from, and then you'll be selecting 2 from it. So your n is 5 and your r is equal to 2. So using the formula, n factorial will be 5 factorial divided by r factorial is the same as 2 factorial, and then you get the difference of 5 minus 2 factorial. So solve nyo muna yung nasa loob ng parentheses. So that will give us 5 factorial divided by 2 factorial times 3 factorial. So pwede nyo i-expand. So 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 divided by 2 times 1 times 3 times 2 times 1. So you can just cancel off yung 3, 2, and 1. You'll be left with 10. So there are 10 ways on how you can select 2 platters out of the 5 sample platters. Let's go to the fresh pizza. How many toppings can we make if there are 7 toppings and you need to choose 2? Now remember that there are 7 toppings here. You have pepperoni, bacon, mushroom, sausage, ham, olives, and anchovies. Sagot dyan is there are 21 ways to select 2 toppings from the 7 sample platter. How was it done? Or paano nakuha yung 21 ways? Remember that there are 7 toppings and you need to choose 2. So that is combination of 7 objects taken 2 at a time. Remember sa pagpili ng toppings natin, hindi naman importante kung mauna ba yung isang topping dun sa isang topping. So this is a combination problem. So to solve using the formula, your n is 7 factorial divided by 2 factorial times the difference of 7 minus 2, kaya nakuha yung 5 factorial. So you just cross out yung mga pare-pareho, which is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 sa taas, tsaka sa baba, and then you'll get 21 ways to select 2 toppings from the 7 sample platter. Okay, let's go to practice time. Problem number 1. How many combinations can be formed from the letters of the word made, taking them 3 at a time? Now, how many letters are there in the word made? Gagamit ka lang naman ng 3. So, to solve this, so you have a total of 4 objects, remember. So, combination of 4 objects taken 3 at a time. So, using the formula, 4 factorial divided by 3 factorial times the difference of 4 minus 3 factorial. So that will give us 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 divided by 3 times 2 times 1 times 1. So para mas mabilis na isolve, cross out nyo yung 3 sa taas, yung 2 at yung 1, ganun din sa baba. So maiiwan na lang is 4 divided by 1. So answer is 4. Example number 2. In how many ways can a set of 4 books, 4 English books, and 2 Filipino books be chosen from a set of 6 different English books and 7 different Filipino books? Now remember, hindi ka naman pwedeng kumuha ng 4 English books doon sa 7 Filipino books. At hindi ka pwedeng kumuha ng 2 Filipino books doon sa 6 English books. Remember that. So, ang formula na gagamitin natin dito is, okay, combination of 6 objects taken 4 at a time times nyo sa combination of 7 objects taken 2 at a time. So, solve nyo muna separately, saka i-multiply. So, sa una natin, combination of 6 objects taken 4 at a time is 6 factorial divided by 4 factorial times 6 minus 4 factorial. And then dun sa kabila, combination of 7 objects taken 2 at a time is 7 factorial divided by 2 factorial times 7 minus 2 factorial. So, solve from there. So sa combination of 6 objects taken at a time is 15. Times mo siya sa combination of 7 objects taken two at a time is 21. So 15 times 21 will give us 315 ways. Problem number 3. A group of 3 boys is to be chosen from a group of 9 boys. In how many different ways can the choice be made? Now, since meron tayong 3 boys na kailangan, or mamimili tayo ng 3 boys from the 9 boys that we have, okay, ang formula lang natin dito is combination of 9 objects taken 3 at a time. So, using the formula, 9 factorial divided by 3 factorial times 9 minus 3 factorial. So, yung 9 factorial divided by 3 factorial times 6 factorial, cross out mo na lang yung 6 factorial. Okay, para hindi ka na mahirapan mag-solve. So, ito tanggalin, tapos ito din. So, magiging 9 times 8 times 7 divided by 6. So, there are 84 ways to select 3 boys from the 9 boys. Problem number 4. How many different basketball teams of 9 players be chosen from a group of 12 players? So, kailangan natin ng 9 players from the 12 players na meron tayo. So, that is total of 12, remember? So, your N is 12 and then your R, yun yung kailangan mong piliin dun sa group. So, combination of 12 objects taken 9 at a time. So, 12 factorial divided by 9 factorial times the difference of 12 minus 9 factorial. So, 12 factorial divided by 9 factorial times 3 factorial. So, dito, para mas madali na yung pag-solve, itong 9 factorial at saka yung 9 factorial sa baba. Tapos, multiply na lang 12 times 11 times 10. Tapos, i-divide nyo yan by 6. So, from here, you'll find out that there are 220 ways to select 9 players from 12 players. To summarize, combination is an arrangement where order doesn't matter. So, you can just select or choose from the given set of groups. Remember that the formula used is combination of n objects taken r at a time, wherein n is the total number of objects and r is the number of objects that you need to choose or to select from the group. Thank you for watching.